Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Walgreens Cheap deals this week. Do's, don'ts, hold offs, and do now deals. And I'm going to start right in with the best deal I think it is. It's going to be on the Arm & Hammer detergent. You're going to save $3.04 if you buy them at $1.95 this week. Now, you do have the 14 tabs right here. You have the bottles right here, and you also have the beads. Now, make sure you check your Ibotta because you might and you might not have a deal, guys. Now, this is the thing. These are $1.95 this week for the Arm & Hammer products. If you go into the sneak peek for next week, you're going to see that they are buy one, get one free. But now they're telling you that's the deal of the week. That's at $4.99. It is still not cheaper than this week's $1.95. So that is why that is my cheap deal of the week. Now, also a good deal is on the Scott tissue. Buy one, get one 50% off. Now, I'm mentioning this because everyone needs paper products. Buy one, get one 50% off, but it is not a coupon. So it is other stores that have coupons that you can use. Now, we're going to go right here to the Axe body wash. This is an honorable mention. It is $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off, guys. And it is a $5 off 2 coupon for this one, which I had to screenshot it off my other phone. Well, take a picture. Did you guys know a tidbit? Walgreens app does not let you screenshot, okay? So this is the one I took off my other phone. It's $5 off of 2. Buy one, get one 50% off plus the 5 off 2. So let's go $6.79 divided by 2. You guys know I'm bad at math. Divide that by 2 and it's $3.39 plus $6.79. Take you to $10.18. Take that 5 off 2, $5.18 divided by 2, $2.59 each, guys. That is an honorable mention. The deal that I am going to do is going to be on the Axe body spray, and it is actually $8.29, but it is on sale. Also, buy one, get one 50% off. Now we're going to scan the spray and we're going to see that they are $7.29. So excuse the math coming up. It is a 7 off 2 coupon. Okay, whenever you see that plus mark, guys, hit it and turn it green. It should be a check mark. Open your details up. Make sure that your product match what you're doing, okay? So let's do this deal. And I did do the math wrong. I already know that. So it was $7.29, not $7.49. So $3.74 plus 7, $11.23, $4.23. $2.11, which you guys know is going to be cheaper because I added on 20 cents more than I should have. Okay, so I picked up 2 of those. Now another deal. This is just a better deal, guys, to me. These are originally Walgreens better deal of choice, 2 for $2. I mean, if you're not brand loyal, pick up the better price. Hey, stay on your budget. It is more deals in here you could do for Walgreens. Those liners are 2 for $6, and then some are 2 for $9. Now, if you do it online, you get 5% more off. Now, as usual, this deal right here is a tried and true. The freezer bags are $3.79. Buy one at $2.79, get 2 free, guys. This deal is never a waste. It is canning time. It's time for us to start canning, packing up, storing, and freezing all that stuff that we grew over the summer. So that makes those bags 93 cents each. So I'm going to grab the freezer bags, actually, because I am literally picking my garden. I'm canning or I'm freezing. Now, a deal that I think you can hold off for next week if you're not a Sprite or Coca-Cola drinker. Now, these are originally $10.99. They are buy 2 at $10.99 each, get 2 free. Now, that is a good deal because you're going to pay about $5.10 a case, right? Same thing for next week. So if you go into the next week ad, the Pepsi and Mountain Dew products and Canada Dry, buy 2, get 2 also, guys. Now, you always can lower this. You can use your Walgreens cash, or you can use any registered rewards that you get. But that is next week's ad. I and my mom is a Sprite drinker. I am not. So here the cereal right here. Pardon me, the Kellogg's are $5.99. But if you buy one, you will get 2 boxes for free. Makes them $1.99 each, okay? So it's no coupon. $5.99, divide that by 3, you're going to pay $1.99 each, guys. CVS has this deal, but Dollar General actually has a better deal. Now, the Colgate, $6.29, $4.50 price. Buy 2, you get a $3 registered reward. We do have a $4 off 2 coupon. Now, I'm going to show you this deal, but this is not the deal that I'm going to do. Like I said, guys, do the better deal, $4 off 2. Always hit that detail to make sure that your product is up in there, okay? And there's the toothbrushes right there. Now we're gonna say $4.50 times 2 is $9. Take that $4 off, leave you at $5. They're gonna, once you cash out, you're gonna get a $3 register reward, and it's $2, right? $1 each. Now you can take that registered reward and use it on any of these products. Arm & Hammer, the 2 liners will be completely free. The Scott tissue, buy one get one 50% off. You can use it on whatever you need. Now I did the Colgate deal, guys. It is $5. And when you buy 2, you get a $5 registered reward, okay? So we do have that $4 off 2 coupon. I did have a $5 off 2 coupon. It disappeared. Okay, so 4 off 2, and then I have a 3 off 2. Always hit the better product. Buy 2 on Colgate, earn a $5 Walgreens cash, okay? So there you go. Take that 4 off, that's $6. Once you get your $5 Walgreens cash back or registered reward, you'll be paying $1 for both or 50 cents each. So this is the deal that I did only because I want a higher value registered reward bucks that I want to use to pay down with my registered rewards, okay? So that is why you saw me pick those up instead. But options are always there. Now, clearance, guys, I'm showing you a 50% off summer clearance, but of course you guys know this gets to 70 to 90% off. Make sure you take a look at that. Now, here's Halloween is out at every store, guys. It is some wonderful visuals up in here. This year, I know Snoopy is a big one. A lot of the ceramics are out. With the light up ceramics, all of these are out, guys. These are just visuals. I just want to show you all this, but start looking. I will start posting my Halloween visuals Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays in the evening at 5 p.m. so you guys can see what's going on. I'm gonna do Halloween and Christmas visuals until the year run out. All right, look at that cup. I love Oogie Boogie, and green is my favorite color. That's 0 right there, but green is my favorite color, guys. So just be diligent. Know that all the stores are having them. Would you buy on Walgreens? Of course, because we have Walgreens cash and we have registered rewards that we could use in Walgreens to always lower your out of pocket with anything in there except alcohol. You could use that on. All right, there's my $5 that I received back. And I did get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Bye.